Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Non-stick grill pans. Non-stick and easy to clean. The Switzerland Eilag non-stick coating is very effective in preventing anything from sticking to the surface, even with minimal oil, and also makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water, free of PFOA and PFOS. Sturdy and durable. This grill pan is made of die-cast aluminum, sturdy and no warp. The Bakelite handle features comfortable to grip and stays cool to the touch. Versatile griddle pan. This is a versatile tool to sear, sauté, bake, broil, braise, or fry. You can cook steak, bacon, grilled cheese, chicken breast, and veggies indoor or outdoor, no matter the weather is hot or cold, wet or dry. Good for all cooktops. This grill skillet can be used on gas, electric, induction, and glass or ceramic cooktops. The thick, high magnetic, conductive stainless steel base helps distribute heat evenly and quickly. Perfect grill marks. The raised ribs leave perfect grill marks for a great presentation and keep the fat down in the grooves. The pour spouts on either side of the pan make it easy to drain those excess fats and liquids. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Automatic operation. Our electric pepper and salt grinder with gravity sensor switch, you even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery powered. Each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries not included. Adjustable grinder. Many grinding levels for your choice allows you to grind your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. Wide applicability. The electric grinder is suitable for pepper, salt, and other solid grain seasonings. Battery-powered, convenient and fast. You can use it anytime and anywhere. This grinder is the good helper for kitchens, restaurants, parties, and outdoor picnics. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Chopping veggies has never been easier. Meet the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper, your new kitchen essential. With a sharp stainless steel blade, it dices onions, peppers, and more in seconds. No more tears, no more mess, just quick and even chopping. The non-slip base keeps it steady for safe use. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean. Perfect for meal prep and saving time in the kitchen. Whether you're making salsa, salads, or stir-fries, this chopper does it all. Ready to chop like a pro? Get yours today. Dash Mini Rice Cooker. More than rice. Oatmeal, stew, soup, quinoa, rice, and pasta. The 2-cup capacity allows for healthier portion control or individual quick and easy breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or sides. Quick plus easy. Setup time is minutes. Simply add water and your uncooked rice, pasta, or veggies, and press the cook button. Your steamed meal or side is ready in less than 20 minutes with less cleanup. Keep warm function. Updated with a keep warm function and indicator light. Food scale. Kitchen must-have. Friedel's digital food scale with removable bowl and measuring cup is the kitchen gadget you didn't know you needed for all your cooking, baking, meal prep, and food weighing needs. High precision scale. Accurately measure wet and dry ingredients in 1 gram 0.1 ounce increments so you don't miss a gram or ounce in your cooking and baking. It easily converts to G-pods, F-pods, and ml. Multifunctional. This digital kitchen scale includes a large, detachable stainless steel oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen. Microwave food cover. Perfect match. Lectrock microwave food cover and mat tench. Mat is bowl holder to grab food immediately. Cover to keep clean microwave top and 4 sides. Mat to keep clean glass turntable. And with the mat, no burning, no waiting. Multi-purpose. Microwave cover as colander and washing basket for vegetables and fruits. Multi-purpose mat as microwave mat, silicone trivet, pot holder, utensils rest, placemat, hot pad, jar opener, coffee coaster. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte. You know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Jar spatula. Set includes small spatula, jar spatula. Small spatula is ideal for use with saucepans and small mixing bowls. Jar spatula reaches into skinny jars, blenders, food processors, and other tight spaces to clear out ingredients. Flexible edges are polished and beveled to get every bit from bowls and jars. Long handles have a sturdy nylon core and soft, non-slip grip. Non-scratch, heat-resistant silicone construction is dishwasher safe. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for two types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains two sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you